3 washes, 2 soaps, and your hands still smell like a garlic factory. Let's fix that. You chopped 1 clove. 1. It's midnight, and your fingers still smell like dinner. Here's the secret. When you cut garlic, it releases sulfur compounds that grip onto your skin. These molecules are oily. They don't mix with water, so soap just slides right over them. Scrubbing like a maniac won't help. You're just making bubbles and getting frustrated. So try this. Grab anything stainless steel, a spoon, your faucet, a metal bowl. Rub your wet hands over the metal for 30 seconds. Cold water only. The sulfur molecules jump ship. They leave your skin and stick to the steel instead. No steel around? Mix baking soda with a little water. Rub the paste in, then rinse. Or go old school. Salt plus lemon. The acid kills it, the salt scrubs it off. Got used coffee grounds? Rub them between your palms. Sounds strange, works great. Even toothpaste works in a pinch. Just a dab, worked in like soap. But here's the golden rule everyone forgets. Cold water, never hot. Hot water opens your pores and locks the smell in. Cold rinses it away. So next time garlic clings on, you know the fix. Steel, cold water, done. Now go cook.